The aerodynamic process is together with the entire car development process. It starts from the very beginning of the first idea, the first sketches, and it goes to the latest prototypes. We had groundbreaking in December of 2005, and since summer of 2009 we are in operational use of the wind tunnel. Of course, before we had groundbreaking, we had quite a long time for commissioning the wind tunnel and do all the plannings of the concept of the wind tunnel. And even today, there are some issues where we're improving the wind tunnel and bring the wind tunnel further. Since we are talking here about a very sporty car, aerodynamic lifts on the car is of course very important for the driving stability and also the driving comfort, especially at higher speeds. On the other hand, aerodynamic also has a high impact on the mileage you can reach with a car and so for the fuel consumption. And both things we are really hard working on in the wind tunnel to improve both sides to an optimum. The aerodynamic process is together with the entire car development process. It starts from the very beginning of the first idea, the first sketches, and it goes to the latest prototypes. In the beginning, we have to work the shape even in bigger proportions, as on surfaces, as on details. And so we need a material where we can bring all our ideas in, and it's easy to build and easy to modeling. And over the years, clay, or the German word Industrieplastilin, has shown that it's very good useful for that, and so it's a common in meantime in the automotive industry. I can really tell you the working together with the designers and the aerodynamic engineers is highly professional. Both parts are working close together. They are fighting for the best solution. Of course, sometimes there are different point of views, but at the end, a maximum as result and also very good and new ideas came to the close working together between these both parties. The vision is to have in the wind tunnel the same condition than in street, and obviously on street tires are turning. And as a matter of fact, tires are having a highly impact on the aerodynamic flow field. So you can think that due to the tires and the wheelhouse, approximately 25 till 30% of the entire drag is gained. So of course we have to focus on this issue and deal with this issue, and so we also have to have rotating tires in the wind tunnel. Otherwise, you either couldn't find potentials out of these areas, or even worse, you probably would go in an opposite direction, which is really needful for street.